In today's episode, we're going to learn how to create our YouTube channel and how to upload our first video. The first step is to go to youtube.com. In my case, I'm already logged in, and therefore all I need to do is click on this icon. It brings me to my YouTube page. This is a feed on this side related to videos I have watched in the past. On this side is the YouTube information that I'm interested in, and right at the bottom is the settings page. So I will select the settings and then I will go to create a channel. The following screen will pop up. Of course, you have to use your name. There's not much you can do here. And you will then go and create the channel. YouTube will do its magic and create your first channel. The problem with the first channel is that it will be known by your name. Right? So if you're known as James Joyce, the channel will be known as James Joyce. You may not want to have a channel known by your name. You may want to have a totally independent channel. Maybe you want to have a channel that has a very strong brand, which you can sell in the future. In my case, I want to create a channel with a strong brand on which many people will collaborate in the future. And for this reason, I don't want my name to be used as a channel name. So what I'll do is I'll create a second channel, which will carry the brand name. Strangely enough, YouTube understands exactly what we want when we do this step, and it asks us for the brand account name. In this case, it's quite easy. Straight Fire Life, and I click on Create. And again, there's a bit of a pause. Unfortunately, I don't live in a place where the internet is instantaneous yet. Straightforward. I will now go to Settings, and I will go and check out my channel status and features. This is something that is useful to do in order to find out what is available. So I can upload, I can monetize. No, I'm not allowed to monetize at this stage because I have not yet met the threshold. At this point in time, I believe the threshold is 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe, like my channel. You're going to help me reach that goal. And of course, I need 4,000 hours of viewed content. At this point in time, I have 0. I could enable live streaming, but I'm not yet ready for that. And once I do that, I might be able to embed these live streams. I would be able, if I wished, to upload longer videos. At this point in time, I'm not yet interested in that. And of course, I can upload unlisted and private videos. This is very important. When you upload your video the first time, upload it as an unlisted video. That allows you to do more administrative tasks before the video goes live. And the first few hours of your video going live are critical for the YouTube algorithm to understand what to do with this video. So rather get a video completely ready, completely right, with the right graphics, the right hashtags, the right content in the description below the video, so that the algorithm can maximize the viewership of this video. Custom thumbnails. At this point in time, I'm not allowed to have custom thumbnails. That is a great pity. And well, everything else is not yet enabled. Here I see it says verify. So let's go. The nice thing about verifying your account is you're now allowed to upload custom thumbnails. Another channel administration step I might want to take is to add or remove channel managers. The advantage of channel managers is that you can have multiple people acting on this channel. That means that they can upload content for you, they can edit, they can respond to comments, and so on. In my case, I'm very much one person. I cannot have more than one person managing this account. Earlier, which I think you need to be aware of. First, you are allowed 3 copyright strikes. The copyright strike occurs when you use content from somebody else which is already copyrighted. And YouTube takes this very, very seriously because it is the same as stealing from, say, a bank. This is somebody else's property that you're making use of illegally. There are also community guideline strikes. And again, you may be using language that is inappropriate for children, or images which are totally inappropriate for children, and that means you are breaking not a copyright rule, but a community guideline. After all, always be aware that people from different cultures or age groups or beliefs are watching these videos, and the last thing YouTube wants to do is have them be offended. So I wish now to upload my first video. I'll return back to the YouTube studio over here, and I will now go and upload a video. So I'll click over here on upload video, select file, and I will go here to the folder that says first video, and I'll select the video file name choosing. Click on OK and you'll see the system is uploading. This will take quite a while. Now, while that is uploading, let us fill in the details required. First part, name choosing. No, that's not a great title. How to. When you start your first channel, start perhaps with how-to topics. These are great ways of attracting interest. People who are not looking for anything specific will probably start with how to play the piano, how to play the guitar. And once they know what channels they like, they'll be more specific about what they're looking for. So how to choose your YouTube channel name. That doesn't sound great. How to choose your YouTube channel name, that's not really. How to choose your YouTube and other social media platforms channel name in 2020. Brilliant. So, what we use as a description? Well, here what we want to do is grab a few hashtags, make it more visible. I'll go to a list I've done before and I'll grab these hashtags over here, put them in, and there'll be another video in the description below showing you how to select hashtags. This is a very important aspect that can help the algorithm to promote your video to new viewers. The hashtags that will be used can vary between, say, Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram hashtags, and each platform has its own way of popularizing specific hashtags. Okay, so I've got a description here. In this video we will learn how to select a suitable channel name for YouTube and other social media platforms so that the branding is consistent across all social media Great, so I now have a bit of a description. I tidy it up, get my English sorted out. I'm not the best typer, it seems. Right, I've typed in the first part of my description, I've got my hashtags, and now I want to put a bit of information with a few links that may be relevant to me. Be aware that quite often when people put links in YouTube, they do put in affiliate links as well. So in this case, at this stage, there are no affiliate links that I will be using. This is just straight up informational content for you to use. So first one, how to find synonyms. Two, how to select, no, that's not right, where to go to find potential channel names. And 3, where to check if these names are available. Oh, that will be a terrible spelling. Available. Right. Go back over here. Thesaurus.com, that is always a great resource. I don't know how we ever survived without a thesaurus. Right. Where to find potential channel names. There we go. Select. Paste. Get the formatting right. And now we go to the last one. Namecheck.com, which really gave me a lot of problems when I created the video. I'm so used to typing check correctly. So, I now have my links in, but I also want to engage with the end user. I want you to give me some feedback. So I'll put in a question. Subscribe, of course. It always helps when you subscribe because I get more viewership. And the more people who view my channel, the more likely I am to be discovered and the more likely I am to give you more content that will be of interest to you. If you can, hit the like button. That's also important. And finally, please leave a comment at the bottom. So I'll give you a question. Please leave a comment, post a question, ask me anything. I'll try and get around. No, I won't try to get around. I will give you some feedback. And I put in a disclaimer because, of course, in the future I may change some links to become affiliate links. So I might have a bit of money to pay for this channel. Now, there's a little word here. I'm not going to say out loud just in case I violate one of the guidelines, but I will change it. Change it to hey. Done. The video is still uploading. Thumbnail, upload my thumbnail. I had selected a thumbnail. There. Playlist. At this moment I will say create playlist, and the playlist will be known as media creation. Visibility, unlisted for now. Create. I will change the visibility in the future, but I don't want to accidentally upload things when I'm not yet ready for them to be uploaded. Okay. Choose media creation. Done. In the future I can change things. Okay. Now comes the last part that is very important. Regardless of your location, you're legally required to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. You're required to tell us whether your videos are made for kids. So what's content made for kids? Very important. Legal stuff you don't mess around with. When I look at this, I don't think there's anything that prevents my content to be shown to a child, but I do not want to take a chance. So for now, I'm going to go back to my dashboard and say, no, it is not made for kids. And let's have a look at the age restrictions. No, I'm not going to say it's over 18. That is definitely not the case. There's nothing that is X-rated or dangerous for kids as far as I can see in my video. But I'm covering myself by just helping YouTube determine that perhaps kids under 13 should not be watching this video. Now I have a section that says more options for paid promotions, tags, subtitles and more. I will ignore that for now. Just click on next. And I have to wait for my video to be finished. This helps people to associate with your channel. So there will be other videos on how to create these online, but for now let us see how we can upload a banner. First thing we do is we go here to the top right corner where we can select our account. So now we'll choose my channel. And I get to this screen. There's my one video that I've uploaded so far. I will click on Customize Channel, get to my new screen, and here at the top I will add my channel art. Okay, select a photo from your computer, and I will choose the banner. Okay, we're now at the end of the uploading process. It took a while, of course I cut out a bit there. And the system shows you what the art will look like on the various platforms. Adjust the crop. It's looking good to me. Select. The banner is now up. It's not perfect, we will fix it later. Let's add now a channel icon. So you come here to the top left corner, click on the edit button, click on edit. Okay, we now click here, upload a photo. So I'll select this one, open, wait a short while, and I can now crop the image to the size I wish to have. I like to have the icon or the logo as nice and big as possible. Perhaps I'm just getting a bit old. Adjust it, center it, click on done. And we wait again. And there we go. I think that looks really, really nice. Got it? Perfect. The video has now been uploaded. There are now two admin tasks we need to think about. Number one, do we want to add an end screen to our video, which will allow us to direct the viewer to other video of ours or to videos we may have referred to within the presentation up to now. This is very straightforward. You click on the, let me just go back, you click on the add an end screen point, there, click add. You can then just say add this feature, for example, show one more video and the subscribe button, or you may want to go back, add two videos, and so on. There are a few options available to you. The alternative, or the extra admin tasks we may be interested in, is to add a card. From time to time, you may have noticed in a video that a presenter points somewhere and say, click here to see this video. This is a point within the video which allows you to direct the user to a totally different video which highlights a particular topic that you're interested in. The nice thing about this is afterwards Once the viewer has seen that video, they can come back to your video very easily by just going to their library and finishing videos that they've started already. So I could, for example, click over here on the add button, go through the video that I've just uploaded and say, click right here in order to view the video on how to choose your ideal channel name. Right, at this point I will do neither because I still have to learn how that works. I'll go back to the YouTube studio. Don't worry, once I figure it out, I will create a video just for you. And I'll click on Next. I now can choose whether I want to publish the video immediately, make it public for everybody to see, unlisted or private. At this point in time, I will make this video unlisted because there's a few tasks I may want to do still. I also can schedule a moment which is suitable for me for the video to go public. So for example, I may be busy in the weekend and do 2-3 videos and I wish to release them on a Tuesday and a Thursday time point. I then schedule the videos just to be launched at those moments. Right, I am however not going to do that. I'm going to say unlisted and click on save. It takes a bit of time. And there we go. If I wish, I can share this link with as many people as I want to. I will just copy the video link and I will share it afterwards. We now have the video with the thumbnail I was interested in. You could see analytics. There's nothing that's happened because quite frankly I've just gotten this video uploaded. I can go back, see if there are any restrictions. No views, no comments yet. So I'm feeling pretty good. I will now go and say public and I will say publish. And this is the big moment. Drum roll. Perfect. And there we are. My video is now live.